This morning, on behalf of the Chinese Embassy, it's my great pleasure to present the exercise equipment to the Rugby Union of Samoa. All the Chinese people know that the rugby team of Samoa is very strong. As the friend of Samoa, we are very proud of it. So today, I should express my thanks to the Honorable Prime Minister for your presence from your busy schedule. And sincerely, we wish the great success of the rugby team of Samoa in the future. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ambassador. On behalf of the Samoa Rugby Union, can I thank you for your generosity in making this donation of exercise equipment. As you can see, this equipment is now being utilized by our rugby boys to develop the upper body and lower body muscles, which is a very important element in building yourself to have strong physical strength, as the sport itself is physical. To put in place major reforms, which we are preparing now for implementation in the new year. The reforms will comprise the changing of the competition, so that now we will have competition between unions, the best teams between unions, and this will ensure that only the top boys that have graduated from the HBU will participate, and it is a competition that will run for 15 weeks and would very closely emulate the Super 14 of New Zealand competition, which means our boys will be constantly playing, the top boys to be selected from each union. We propose to use this to begin this new approach in March next year. But between now and then, we will look at the mechanics to put in place the new reforms which management is presently working on now. Ability of coaches from here to come to China to help the team, and possibly also interchanging of teams to play in China or playing here in Samoa. I know that your country is a very big country with huge resources and could be of great help to Manu Samoa. This is the only weak link in our efforts, and that is the problem with resources. We are very much constrained in the resources to get our teams ready. So without further ado, I wish you the best, and I am asked to present you with this Manu Samoa, so that one day you can take your photo with it. At one time, you play as a wing.
Thank you.